Everybody. Hi, everybody. It is Monday, and boy, does it feel that way across southern New England. We've been stuck in the gray skies, the fog, the drizzle, the showers. I don't see any improvements today. In fact, I'm actually tracking another round of heavy rain and gusty winds that'll be moving in at the end of the day. So it's been a murky start. This is what it looks like from our hurricane barrier camera here late morning. The steadier rain is going to be moving in between 5 and 7 this evening, with the heaviest of it from about 7 o'clock in the evening through about 3 a.m. And that end time may actually be a few hours earlier than that, maybe midnight, 1 a.m. if it's really cruising along. And in that time, I'm looking at another soaker. An inch to an inch and a half of rain. Winds will be gusting out of the east-northeast as high as 50 miles per hour along the coastline. So we're looking at street flooding and urban flooding, the potential for some additional minor river flooding, the Patuxent, one of the rivers that we're keeping a close eye on that could see some minor flooding in the coming days. And there may be some isolated wind damage, particularly at the coast where the stronger wind gusts are. So what you see is what you get for the rest of the daylight hours. As we head towards the evening commute time, that's when the rain's going to start to move in. And here's the setup. We've got a storm, one that brought the blizzard conditions to the upper Midwest, moving over the Great Lakes now. And that system going to help spawn a new storm that develops off the mid-Atlantic coastline, and that's going to cruise right over us in southern New England. And so here we go through the afternoon hours, overcast skies, some occasional lighter rain showers and drizzle. 5 o'clock in the evening, that heavy rain's pushing in, and it'll be overspreading the rest of southern New England during the evening hours. So yellows and oranges, that's not good. That's the downpours that we're talking about, those heavy rainfall rates or high rainfall rates, going to lead to some slower travel if you have to be out and about this evening. And at 11 o'clock at night, you can see that heavy rain still overhead. But after that, it starts to quickly race out of here. So tomorrow morning's commute, the heavy rain's gone. There may be a leftover shower in spots, but it's a mainly dry day with a mix of clouds and sunshine. Now, did you see the snow up across northern New England? Mountains could get as much as 6 to 12 inches of snow up to the north of us, but around here, it's all rain. A lot of it. Here's a look at rainfall amounts through tomorrow morning. About an inch to, on the high end, an inch and a half of rain possible. As far as the winds go, they're going to be strongest at the coastline, late evening, first part of the night. The wind advisory that's been issued for our shore includes places like Westerly, Narragansett, Block Island, Newport, Middletown, Portsmouth, Little Compton and Tiverton under a wind advisory, and so is Fall River and New Bedford. Out further east towards the Cape and Plymouth, it's a high wind watch. Winds will be a little stronger there. Could gust up to 60 miles per hour far eastern Massachusetts. At the Rhode Island shore, we'll see some gusts between 45 and 50 miles per hour. So another round here. We've become so accustomed to it this autumn season. More than 23 inches of rain so far since September 1st. And again, we're going to add about an inch, inch and a half on those totals today. I'm looking at early December, having the feel of November. There's at least one, possibly two more systems that'll come through with some possibly heavy rainfall in the first week of December. So a lot to keep you updated on. I'm going to stay right here for more updates throughout the day.